India's COVID numbers are going through the roof over 6 months into the pandemic, with September alone adding over 40% of the total cases, or over 23 lakh of the over 63 lakh cases reported so far. And India is also about to cross the grim milestone of 1 lakh deaths, with September seeing 1/3 of the COVID-19 deaths reported since the pandemic began.
September was a challenging month in India's fight against COVID-19. Mumbai saw a 101% rise in COVID cases in September compared to August. 53,828 new cases were reported between 1st September to 28th September. That's 27,075 more cases than the previous month of August. Senior doctors say Mumbai is seeing its second coronavirus wave.
सितंबर महीने में हमारे पास केसेस में काफ़ी बढ़ोतरी दिखाई गई है। कंपेयर टू अगस्त हमारे पास सितंबर महीने में 30% से ज़्यादा नंबर्स में पेशेंट्स एडमिट हुए हैं। इट इज़ बाय 104% नंबर ऑफ केसेस ऊपर गए हैं, तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये सेकेंड वेव ऑफ इन्फेक्शन है।
Mumbai's mortality rate is also a cause for worry. The city's mortality rate remains constant at 4.35%. compared to the national mortality rate of 1.57%. Kerala, which received much praise for its handling of the initial phases of the pandemic, has seen a steep increase in COVID-19 cases. It is now the state with the highest percentage increase in India currently. THIRUVANANTHAPURAM, the state's capital, has seen a 71% jump in daily active cases reported in September as compared to August. In Kerala, the total COVID confirmed cases were around 1,96,000 on the 30th of September. At the end of August, it was 73,800, leading the government to impose Section 144 across the state to prohibit the assembly of more than 5 people. India's IT capital, Bengaluru, added 97,605 cases in September, up from 74,696 cases added in August. It remains the number 2 city after Delhi in terms of case numbers. The death rate is 1.26%, lower than the national average. Tests have been increasing week on week, with a greater stress on RT-PCR tests. But some parts of the country showed a lower percentage increase in September compared to other months. In September, Andhra Pradesh reported 2.58 lakh cases, a 45% increase for a state that reports the second highest COVID numbers after Maharashtra, with nearly 7 lakh cases. This was, however, the lowest growth rate in AP for any 30-day period since the beginning of the outbreak. In August, there was a 300% surge in infections, 900% increase in July, and over 300% increase in June. In Bengal, the increase in the number of new infections from August to September is just 1.81%. In September, there were 94,971 new cases, just 1,681 more than the August total of 92,590. However, testing seems to have come down over the last 2 weeks of September, even though month-on-month testing numbers have increased. Some cold comfort. The number of people who have recovered from COVID-19 is the highest in India. With Pooja Bharadwaj, Sneha Koshi, Uma Sudhir and Monideepa Banerjee, this is Maya Sharma for NDTV.